there. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about how to complete a book review using Biblionasium.com. In Mrs. Amstutz' 6th grade language arts class at Fruitport Middle School, all students are required to complete 12 book reviews throughout the school year. This works out to be about 3 book reviews per marking period. We use Biblionasium.com to do these book reviews. Biblionasium.com is an online platform that allows classes to log their reading, share book reviews, and browse each other's work in a safe environment. So the very first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to Biblionasium.com. Once you do that, please click Member Sign In. Each student has been provided an individual username and password. This information should be written in the front of their planner. If your child has lost this information and is unable to log in, please email me at damstutz@fruitportschools.net and I can provide this information to you quickly. So this is the homepage of Biblionasium. Any messages that students are sent always appear at the very top, and they have to delete the message. It will stay up there until they delete it. To start a book review, and this is really the only part that I require students to do on here, they do not need to do any logs or anything like that. They're just required to do the book reviews. So to start with that, we need to go to my bookshelf by clicking My Books. Once you are at your bookshelf, the very first thing you'll need to do is add a book. You'll click Search for Books, and you will type in the title of the book that you are reading. So depending on what you put in, there might be a couple different that show up, and you'll need to choose the one that applies to you. So once you've selected the book, you need to click on Add to Shelf. By clicking Add to Shelf, this allows you to review it. So once you have clicked Add to Shelf, the second tab over says Review It, and you can click on that. And you'll need to complete the review here. You can tell me how many stars you've rated the book. But in this area is where the most important information goes, which I will review in just a minute. But you should type all of your information in paragraph form. Also, students should know that anything with a red squiggly line underneath means that it's misspelled, and so all spelling errors should be corrected as well. You can click on the word and double tap, and some suggested words will come up. Make sure that you click Save. If you do not click Save and you close the tab or you lose internet connection, your book review will be lost. So at any time, if you're not done with your book review and you've saved it, you can go back and click Edit and finish your work. But always remember to click Save. By clicking Save, Biblionasium sends me a notification stating that there is a pending review. I view the reviews, I grade them, and then I publish them, which allows other students in the classroom to see your child's work. The last thing I want to show you is the book review requirements for 6th grade. In 6th grade, we require that all book review components are written in sentence form to form one solid paragraph. So we do not want lists of information or a table of information, but we want complete sentences that form one continuous paragraph. Each sentence should have correct beginning capitalization and correct end punctuation. Titles of books also need to be capitalized correctly. Within the review, we should see the title and the author of the book, the genre of the book, a summary of the book, which is about 3 to 4 sentences. Please do not give a spoiler, and be as specific as you can by using character names in specific places in the book, rather than they, he, she, or it. You can also give a recommendation or rating of the book. For example, you might say, somebody who really likes science fiction would love this book. And starting December 14th for book review number 5, a theme statement with evidence is required. If you have any questions or concerns, you may email Mrs. Amstutz, or your student can talk to her tomorrow in class. Thanks.